Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to do case scenario, first case scenario of May 24 RTP. ठीक है, so let's get started. तो whenever you come, whenever you see a case scenario, पहले ऊपर से देख लेना. It is talking, this one is talking, the first point is talking about new production line. कुछ expenses भी दिया है यहाँ पे, and then उसका related information, and then there is the second point also, which is talking about some provision. Okay, customers regarding installation of new production line. Customer has claimed damages. So if you see, this is in days 37. And then the third one is net decreased depreciation inventory. So this one is talking about cash flows. ऐसा ऊपर से पहले देख लेना and then go directly to the question. ठीक है. Now if you see the first question, what are the items that needs to be capitalized? So this is regarding the first point. ठीक है. What are the items that needs to be capitalized in determining the cost of production line? ठीक है. So first we will try to eliminate certain things. यहाँ पे abnormal cost है ना, so abnormal cost will not be capitalized, remember that. And जो भी recoverable GST 1 lakh, so वो जो भी taxes which are recoverable that will not be capitalized, so this will not come. So यहाँ पे दो options है which is talking about cost of dismantling. So dismantling cost is nothing but at the end of the useful life of the asset, whatever cost will incur to dismantle the asset, तो उसका present value लेते हैं आज. ठीक है, आज इस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं उसका एक्सपेंस एंड वी विल कैपिटलाइज दैट. ठीक है, बट उसका प्रेजेंट वैल्यू लेना रहता. सो वी विल ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि इसमें कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर है. लेट्स गो टू द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पॉइंट डिसमेंटल के बारे में किधर दिया. सो दिस वन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट डिसमेंटलिंग. ठीक है, द प्रोडक्शन लाइन इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू हैव ए यूजफुल इकोनॉमिक लाइफ ऑफ 8 ईयर्स. तो उसका इकोनॉमिक लाइफ है 8 ईयर्स. ठीक है, एंड देन is required to dismantle the plant in a specified manner and restore the accepted. The amount of 2 lakhs incurred in the cost estimates is the amount that is expected to be incurred at the end of the useful life. So this 2 lakhs is expected to incur at the end of the useful life. ठीक है, at the end of the useful life. So what is its present value today? वो भी वो लोग दे दिए. Discount rate is given 0.68. So if you do 2 lakhs into 0.68, you will get the answer, current value. Okay, so 2 lakhs into, let's say 2 lakhs into 0.68 is 0.16 is the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. So the answer is D. Perfect. Calculate the amount of cash flow. So he's asking about cash flow. Calculate the company's associate cash flow from operations. Remember, he's asking cash flows from operations. So let's go. ये cash flows का point है. Okay, so net income of operating taxes, yes, start वहाँ से करेंगे. And then decrease in accounts receivable. So whenever there is a decrease, you will add. And then depreciation को add करेंगे, non cash item that should be added. Increase inventory, यहाँ पे एक बात बता देता हूँ कि all the assets will have inverse relationship. In case of an asset, will have inverse relationship. And then what is the other one? Liabilities will have direct. मतलब अगर लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रहा ना तो कैश फ्लो भी इंक्रीज हो रहा. अगर लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज हो रहा तो कैश फ्लो भी डिक्रीज हो रहा. एसेट्स का ऐसा नहीं, इन्वर्स रहता है. अगर एसेट्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो कैश फ्लोस कम हो रहा है. अगर एसेट्स डिक्रीज हो रहा है कैश फ्लोस इंक्रीज हो रहा. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट का रिलेशन. ठीक है, इसलिए यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो रहा है, डिक्रीज इन अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल, इट्स एन एसेट, सो वी आर एडिंग इट, increasing the cash flow, inverse relationship. Depreciation, non cash item, that should be added. Increase in inventory, you will reduce this. And then increase in accounts payable, liability, you will also increase. Decrease in wages payable, liability, you will also decrease. And then taxes, charges during the year, he's telling deferred tax liability, again it's a liability, so that is increasing, so you will also increase, right? So profit from sale of land, this is sale of land. ठीक है, सेल ऑफ लैंड कहाँ पे आता? इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज़ में आता. सो प्रॉफिट में से उसको हटा देना चाहिए. सो यू विल रिड्यूस इट. सो इफ़ यू टेक द कैलकुलेटर एंड कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज़ द कैश फ्लोज फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस, 1,20,000 प्लस 20 प्लस 25 प्लस माइनस 10 प्लस 7 माइनस 5 प्लस 15 माइनस 2, 170 is the answer. I hope this point is also clear. Let's see shit. So let's see if that answer is there. So this is the answer. Okay, so now third one is talking about accounting treatment should be done Accounting treatment should be done in FA books for the year ending 31st March. The customer has taken a legal action. So this one is talking about that point 2 का, ठीक है, where they are asking about some customer का legal action thing. Profit and loss for the that has arisen as a result of problems with the system. So let's understand. बोल रहा क्या है वहाँ पे, हुआ क्या. So यहाँ पे if you see 31st March year end कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करा कस्टमर को इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ न्यू प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम टू एयरक्राफ्ट पार्ट्स. सिस्टम हैज कॉज कस्टमर कंसिडरेबल प्रॉब्लम, सो द कस्टमर हैज टेकन ए लीगल एक्शन अगेंस्ट द कंपनी. ठीक है, लॉस ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स बिकॉज ऑफ विच द कस्टमर हैज इनकर्ड सर्टेन लॉस ऑफ प्रॉफिट. सो उसने क्या लीगल एक्शन लिया कंपनी के ऊपर. द कस्टमर हैज क्लेम डैमेजेस ऑफ 1.6 lakhs का लीगल एक्शन लिया. ठीक है, सो कंपनी का डिपार्टमेंट बोल रहा है कि देर आर 25% चांस दैट द क्लेम कैन बी सक्सेसफुली डिफेंडेड. तो 25% चांसेस इज दैट दे आर गोइंग टू सक्सीड, मतलब 75% चांस इज दैट दे आर गोइंग टू फेल, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिफेंड इट. ठीक है, वंस इफ दे फेल व्हाट हैपेंस, एंटायर 1.6 lakhs हैज टू बी पेड बाय द कंपनी टू द कस्टमर. राइट, आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर. सो मोस्ट लाइकली चांसेस आर लाइक इट इज गोइंग टू फेल बिकॉज 75% is more, right? 75% is more than 25%. So because most likely it is going to fail, we will consider कि provision has to be created. Now we will see the options. तो बोल रहा है nothing needs to be provided. This is wrong. You have to provide a provision of 1.6 lakh. This seems correct. Provision of 0.54 lakhs as per possible outcome should be recognized. So I don't think so this is correct because 1.6 lakhs का provision create करना पड़ता अपने को. And then contingent liability, no, it is not a contingent liability. So the answer is B. I hope even this point is also clear. देख 3 पॉइंट्स हो गए, इजी पॉइंट्स थे वो सब हो गया. नाउ कम्स थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चंस. ओके, कंप्यूट द टोटल अमाउंट चार्ज टू P&L with respect to production line. Production line is the first point, okay, for the year ending 31st March 2003, and the balance of provision of dismantling cost carried. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट आंसर में अपन करें डिसमेंटल कॉस्ट, या हियर वी हैव डन नो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू लिए थे अपन 1.36. तो इसका एक टाइमलाइन कर देता हूँ मैं. सी इफ़ यू सी दिस इज़ द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू एज ऑफ टुडे. इसका वैल्यू 1.36 है ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ 8 years बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट एसेट इज़ 8 years. 8 years को ना वो 2 lakhs पे करना रहता उसको. डिसमेंटल कॉस्ट होता 2 lakhs, right? So every year now they gave discounting factor 5%. So every year up to 8 years no, they will be adding 5% to this. Okay, so next year में ना, so 31st March next year में the value of this dismantling liability will be 1.36 into 5% plus is equals to this much. So you should add this to 1.36. okay, so 1.42 the answer. Let's see if that answer is there. See, provision for dismantling cost पूछा है, and then what is the amount charged to P&L account भी पूछा है. So second answer यहाँ पे देखें तो 1.42 is coming. ठीक है, now we will see what is the amount that is charged to P&L account. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं, P&L account में क्या जाता है, डिप्रिसिएशन जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू सी व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द एसेट, तभी जाके अपने को डिप्रिसिएशन मालूम चलेगा. ठीक है, कॉस्ट ऑफ द एसेट तो इज सेइंग लिस्ट प्राइस 12.5 less 20% rate discount. Anyways 20% rate discount we will not consider, so this 10,000 will come. Perfect. 10 lakhs will come. Perfect. Recoverable goods and services but not included in the purchase cost. He's talking about recoverable goods and service tax. So in case if it is recoverable we will not add this. Employee cost of construction for 3 months. ठीक है, पहले देखेंगे ना यहाँ पे the asset is completed within a period of 2 months. तो जो भी कॉस्ट इंकर्ड हुआ within this 2 months only that will be capitalized. After 2 months जो भी कॉस्ट इंक्लूड हो रहा that will be charged to P&L account. Perfect. So यहाँ पे ना 1.2 दिख रहा है ना, तो this 1.2 will be divided by 3 into only for 2 years you will take. Okay, so that will come up to 0.8. Only 0.8 will be added. Okay, 0.4 will go and sit in P&L. other overheads directly related, so basically overhead cost we will not capitalize it, but यहाँ पे बोल रहा directly related, then this will also come. Perfect. Payment to external advisors relating to construction बोल रहा है ना, so this will also come. Expected dismantling restoration cost अपन करे थे इसमें, only 1.36 we will consider here because of this present value consider करते हैं 1.36. Clear not clear? So यहाँ पे और एक point है, we will see what is this. The other overheads were incurred during the period, during the 2 months period and 31st May. Okay, they include abnormal cost also. ये जो अदर ओवरहेड्स है ना, इसमें abnormal cost of 0.3 is included. Otherwise directly related, इसमें से -0.3 को हटा देना. Only 0.6 we will consider because that is abnormal cost. Abnormal cost will not be capitalized. So now let's see what is the total cost coming. Okay, 10 plus 0.8 plus 0.6 plus 0.5, this one is 0.5 plus 1.36. okay, it is coming up to 13.26 total value of the asset. अभी total value of the asset मिल गया अपने को, and then you also know कि ये ईयर में it is there only for a period of 31st May में it is put to use, मतलब 2 months गया, only 10 months it is used in the current period, right? So 13.36 they have given us, उसका useful life है 8 years. See here is the useful life है 8 years. okay, so now 13.26 ideally you should be dividing it by 8 years and then into 10 divided by 12, you should be getting the answer, but यहाँ पे कुछ और information दिया है, so we will see what is that. 4 years after being brought into use, the production line will require a major overhaul to ensure that it generates economic benefits of second half. ठीक है, ये बोल रहा है कि the estimated cost of the overhaul current prices is 3 लाख. अभी जो ये करंट प्राइस है ना इसका, इसमें से 3 लाख उसका ओवरहॉलिंग एक्सपेंसेस है, सो विच इट विल रिक्वायर आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ 4 years, सो दैट इट विल गेट बेनिफिट्स आफ्टर 4 years फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 4 years. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा ना? सो इन दिस So in this 13.26, now it is bifurcated into two. One is the cost of the asset, जो भी cost of production है वो, and then the other one is overhauling बोल के inspection या जो भी है ये overhauling expenses is 3 lakhs. okay, and then the बाकी का 10.26 is the cost of the asset. ठीक है, now this 3 lakhs का useful life is only 4 years. ठीक है, and then इसका useful life is 8 years. So that's how you will be calculating your depreciation now. I hope this point made some sense because of this overhauling expenses. No, if you read it again, 4 years after being brought, so this is brought into use now. 4 साल के बाद उसको 3 लाख का expenses, मतलब 3 लाख is the current value. So after 4 years, no, it will incur certain expenditure. उसका current value है 3 lakhs. Perfect, no? Yes, it should make sense. ठीक है, सो करेंट कॉस्ट में से ओवरहॉलिंग एक्सपेंसेस निकाल देते, हटा देते, क्योंकि उसका यूजफुल लाइफ इज़ ओनली 3 years, ओनली 4 years, सॉरी, इसका यूजफुल लाइफ आ रहा है 4 years. सो 3 lakhs इंटू what is this, 1 divided by 4 because only for 4 years, and in the current year it is only used for 10 months. So you will get this answer, and then इसका भी करेंगे वैसा ही सेकेंड वाले का 10.26 इंटू इसका 8 years है, 1 divided by 8 इंटू करेंट ईयर में ओनली 10 months, 3 divided by 4 0.75 into 10 divided by 12, it comes to 0.625. okay, and then इसका आंसर आएगा, I'll do it here, 10.26 into divided by 8 into 10 divided by 12, it comes to 1.06875. if you add this to 0.625, it comes to it closely, this two, if you add this two, it is coming closely 1.69375, मतलब 1.7 लगा लो. Now we will see the answer if that option is there or not. Let's go. सो यहाँ पे 1.76 आ रहा, अपने को आया 1.70. So you can actually go with this answer. See, you can find out this one answer and decide कि this is option is C, because अपने को dismantling cost easily मिल जा रहा, right? चलो next, compute the cost of production. Compute the cost of production line to be capitalized initially. This one though we just did, cost of production line. So this is the answer for that first one. So this is the cost, 13.26 is the answer. We did it, 13.26. Let's go. So I hope this video was helpful, and please do let me know if you need any more videos, and I'll be uploading all the case scenarios just like this, so that each and every day you can do one case scenario and you will be in a comfortable position for May 2025 exams. So please do subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thank you all so much.